Okay, so here we have to find a distance for the short circuit. An underground telephone cable consisting of a pair of wires has suffered a short somewhere along its length at a point P. The telephone cable is 6 km long, and in order to determine where the short is, technician first to measure the resistance between terminals. So basically, we have the resistance. When the technician measured, what he found is that he measured between this AB cable. When he measured between this AB cable, he found that it's equal to the 10 ohm. Then when he measured between the C and the D, RCD was equal to the 90 ohms. Okay. So basically you have to find from point C to point B what will be the distance. It's a very interesting question actually. So how can we find it then? So we know that density is constant, radius of the wire is constant, or the diameter of the wire is constant. So therefore we can say that we have general formula where R is equal to the rho L A, correct? And we know that rho and A is constant, therefore R is direct proportion to the L, correct? When L is increasing, R is increasing. So then I think we can just say that RCD divided by RAB is equal as you know that this D distance is 6 km, but however when you measured the resistance of between CD, we can say that that X distance has to be multiplied by 2 because it's kind of, it's like this one, right? So therefore you can say that it's equal to the 2 times X, and distance that is measured between point AB, which is equal to 2 times D minus X. Okay, now D is equal obviously to the 6 km. So here we can say that 2 and 2 will cancel out, and our RCD is equal to the 90 ohms divided by the 10 ohms, and is equal to the X is equal to the D minus X. So then we can say that it's equal to the 9. Then from there we can say that its X is equal 9D minus 9X. Then our X becomes, goes there, 10, so 0.9D. Okay, so our X distance between C and P is now 0.9D, which means 0.9 multiplied to the 6 kilometers. That should give you 5.4 kilometers. So that means our X here is equal 5.4 kilometers, and that distance is 0.6 kilometers.